सेल्बे को हाईलाइट करना है
Of course.
सेल्बे
Hello everyone, this is your Manara. Andarki Namaskaram. I'm today very happy and excited because I'm again associating with Selbe yet another for an amazing phone which is MI10i. I which stands for India. So this is one of the premium phones which has been launched and manufactured here in India and is now available at Selbe. So I'm super excited and I've tried the phone myself and I was really fascinated with the clone and the vlog feature of the phone. It has got an 108 megapixels, which makes it all the more amazing to click the videos, to click the pictures and the videos, and it is available at an amazing deal here at Selbe. So this is my second association with Selbe after COVID situation got a little settled. So I'm very happy. I'm very excited. Selbe is like home, and whenever I need a latest phone, I always end up calling Selbe team, and I'm like, "Where is the new phone? Where is my phone?" And I always end up being here. So I'm super excited. They have amazing deals coming up for Sankranti. So visit the nearest Selbe store, and you really have Selbe. I think all across the cities. It's so big, and it is. Almost the branch is really a few steps away from your doorstep, from your home. So just go and visit and enjoy the new phones and the new variety coming at Selbe store, and specifically the MI10i phone at the nearest store near you.
ले लो keep.
Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Prasad. I am Vice President Selbe. So we are so glad that today we are unboxing Meet and I, which is the made made in India, made for in India concept lo MI వాళ్ళు ఈ రోజు Meet and I అనే ప్రోడక్ట్ లాంచ్ చేశారు. So we are so happy that we are unboxing this handset today at our showroom at Selbe Gachibowli. ఈ Meet and I అనేది యాక్చువల్గా సిబ్లింగ్ ఆఫ్ Meet and it is actually flagship model of MI, but it is at a very affordable price. The price start అవుతుంది 20,999, which is very affordable price, but world class features. It has got elegant elegant look, and it has got 108 megapixel, and it has got 750 Snapdragon microprocessor. So ఇటువంటి వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ ఫీచర్స్తో ఇంత అఫోర్డబుల్ ప్రైస్లో రావడం అనేది ఇది ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇన్ ఇండియా. దట్ క్రెడిట్ గోస్ టు Xiaomi, heads up to Xiaomi. And we are glad that we are today making this handset available from all our stores of Selbe across Telangana. We have 58 plus stores across Telangana, so these handsets are available all our stores. So I request all my Selbe beloved customers and esteemed customers, please do visit our Selbe stores and buy this handset. We have pre-booking facility, we have pre-booking offers and benefits. Kindly do visit our stores and avail the offers. And also my advance wishes to all for the Sankranti festival. So we have very good Sankranti offers, so please do visit, avail the Sankranti benefits, and also buy the MI10i handset. Thank you so much. This price వచ్చేసి 20,900 స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి, విచ్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ కైండ్స్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. ఇంత తక్కువ ప్రైస్లో అఫోర్డబుల్ ప్రైస్ లోపల ఇటువంటి టెక్నికల్ వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ ఫీచర్స్ వస్తున్న ఫోన్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ హ్యాండ్సెట్ అండి. సో వీ హ్యావ్ 3 కలర్స్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ దిస్. Okay, thank you so much.